Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Festival, the game's music mode. To begin, simply navigate to the festival stage from the main Fortnite lobby. Once there, you can choose your instrument, such as lead guitar, bass, drums, or vocals. Then, pick a song from the extensive music library to start your performance. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music with friends or solo, offering a unique rhythm game experience within Fortnite. Mastering the gameplay involves hitting notes as they descend the track. You'll see colored notes that correspond to specific buttons on your controller or keyboard. Timing is crucial. Press the button exactly when the note reaches the activation line. Successfully hitting consecutive notes builds your combo multiplier, significantly increasing your score. Don't worry if you miss a few. Practice makes perfect in this exciting musical challenge. To maximize your score, pay attention to the glowing notes that fill your overdrive meter. Once full, activate overdrive to double your score for a short period. Strategic activation during high-note sections is key to achieving top scores. Your performance is rated with stars, from 1 to 5, based on accuracy and overall score. Strive for that perfect 5-star rating to truly showcase your musical prowess. For new players, I recommend starting with easier songs to get comfortable with the rhythm and button layouts. You can also adjust the note speed in the game settings to match your personal preference, making it easier to react. Consistent practice is the best way to improve your timing and accuracy over time. Remember, it's all about having fun and enjoying the music, whether you're playing solo or with a band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.